guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited. I have a PR box to show you by Jeulia Jewelry and 2 orders of my own. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Jeulia Jewelry did send me this one here for review. So thank you so much for sending me your amazing jewelry to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. I also did purchase my own 2 orders right here. One is for myself and one is for a gift. If you would like to see what I purchased, I will show you as soon as I'm done showing you what's inside of this one. With Jeulia Jewelry, you can definitely go check them out. I will have them linked down below. I do have my own code, which is Crafty15, and that will save you 15% off. They have amazing deals going on right now because of the holidays coming up. If you want to check out anything for, for yourself or for another now, or Valentine's Day is coming up, Mother's Day will be coming up after that. So anything you would like to check out, they will all be linked down below with Crafty15 giving you 15% off. So let's go ahead and dive in and see which one I chose for them to send to me. And then when I was doing that, I saw other ones that I couldn't decide from, so I went and bought a few for myself. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's in this one. When you first open these up, it comes like this. You will have like this little thing that goes over some information and give you some codes for the future. You will have your new brochure. I love looking through this because they update it all the time, so they're always new, and you can see all the new and exciting jewelry that they have to offer. They just have stunning. Look, I'm wearing that ring right there. It's right there. They just have stunning pieces, you guys. If you want to check them out, they will be linked below. The card that popped out says stop. This one here is if you get something size. So if you have a ring, it's telling you do not remove the paper, the little sticker that is on it, until you know that it fits. If you remove that, you cannot return it or exchange it or anything like that. So make sure you keep it on and it fits to your liking before you remove it, because that's the only way they will exchange it, return it, that kind of thing. So that's what this right here is going to tell you. Stop what you're doing. Check it first. And then they also give a gift bag. So if this is for a gift, you just take it right out of there, stick it right down in here, and it's already gift ready. They have you covered. You just open this up, pull these, put it down inside. They even give you a greeting card so you can write who it's from and that kind of thing. And then in here is a cleaning cloth. So they give you a cleaning cloth to take care of your jewelry. They do come in different colors. This one is pink, but I've gotten blue and I think green. So it could be any color. And then, like I said, you can drop it down, give this to them. If this is not for a gift, then we don't care about that bag. We want to know about what's inside of here. So down inside of here is going to be the ring. You know now it's a ring that I chose, and that'll be right here. I believe this is a 2-piece one. Yes, this one is the 2-piece. So this one I can wear either together or I can separate them if I so chose to. So here, this is that little paper I was telling you about. This you need to check and make sure it fits first before you remove it. Again, this was sent to me for review, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. If it doesn't fit, that's my own fault. So let me get this one out of this bag now so I can show you. I'm so excited. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Let me put them together like kind of how they would go. I think it goes like this. I believe it'll go like that. And this has, I believe that's the opal right there. And opal is my birthstone. So I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like my favorite color, and it has the moon. And I was just like, I have to have it. And the other one that I purchased kind of matches this one. So I'll show you in just a minute. I don't remember what finger I wanted it on. I know I wanted them on this hand. So let me just remove these 2. These are Jeulia Jewelry as well. This is my newest one, I believe, the avocado ring. I absolutely love that one. So I'm hoping it'll fit on this finger. These are all Jeulia Jewelry as well. Same with that. Most of my earrings. I pretty much wear their jewelry every single day. Yes, I do wear their jewelry at least every single day because I never take my earrings off. So every day I am wearing their jewelry. One time I had a video that I posted for you guys on an order that I had placed myself, and I had somebody telling me that I should remove other jewelry before doing a jewelry review, and that I needed to cover my tattoos. Number one, I would never tell somebody to cover up their own skin, so don't tell me that because I'm not going to. And for another, all the other jewelry that I was wearing was their jewelry, so why would I take it off? I was doing a Jeulia Jewelry video, like, so I'm showing you their jewelry. I was like, whatever. They were going to contact Jeulia Jewelry to tell them not to send me things anymore because I needed to cover up my my tattoos. I said, whatever. They sent it to me, so obviously that didn't go very far. But that is that. I can't believe that. You need to cover up your tattoos. What? Cover up my skin? No, thank you. Nope. Nope, I would never tell somebody else to, and they should never tell me to. So I think I got this one for my ring finger. Look how dainty and beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. Okay, and again, I can break them up if I wanted to, or I can just wear them together, which I think that's what I'm going to do, is wear them together. So that is the one that they had sent to me. Let me see, is this my order with, okay, yes, this is going to be, because I got two different ones. And again, it's going to come with all the same things: the stop, drop, and roll. You have the magazine and the gift bag with the greeting card and the cleaning cloth inside. So I have two boxes right here. I'm so excited. Like I'm so excited. So the first one here, let's open this. Oh, and this one did come with a free gift when I purchased it. And I think this was valued at like almost, I think it was like almost $100. I think it was $100. It does have one of their stones in the head right here. There's like one of their stones in there, but it's a mermaid, if you can see that. And it's on this really pretty chain. And all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. So, and I've never had anything turn, nothing. So I absolutely love their jewelry. Here again is the little free gift. It was the mermaid. It's super cute though. I think I might have had it the wrong way showing you, but it is really cute. So that again was just a free gift for my purchase. So I'll set that aside. Now the ring that I chose. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Because this is the one I couldn't figure out like which one I wanted, because they had a few different ones in like this category. So here's this one. See, it matches it perfectly. It has the same like, you know, little dots that go around, the same stone. And this one I believe I wanted on this finger. Yes. And it fits perfect. So now since I purchased this one, I can remove this because it fits. And it fits on the right finger. I'm so excited. So look at those. So I like, if you notice, I like to just have my two middle like fingers having rings on them and my thumb. So I was going to have a bare thumb over here. No, not anymore. I got another one over here, which has the moon phase on it. If you know me, as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that. And that would be so cool as a thumb ring. So you do have the moon phase that runs right down the front of it. And this one, it fits perfectly, so I can go ahead and remove this tag. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever had a ring on this thumb, only just this one. So, see, how do I show you my thumb? There's my thumb. So now I have the moon phase. I have these two new rings that are absolutely gorgeous. I wonder if this one will fit, because I really like this ring. It will. It'll fit on my middle finger there, my avocado one. So then I can wear this on this hand and then have these on this hand. That is so pretty. I love that moon phase. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And if I wanted, I could always put it on a different finger instead of my thumb, but I really like that it fits my thumb perfectly. That is so neat. So that is what I ordered for myself. So I ordered the two rings. They sent me this one. And then I ordered something for my friend. She literally is going to be giving birth to her very first baby. Her due date is the 14th. I guessed the 12th for her. And I think this, I think on the 11th, she's going to be induced. So, I wanted to get her something with her new daughter's name on it, and that's a great thing because Jeulia Jewelry has stuff that you can actually do customized. They have several different styles. I chose this one because I thought it would like resembled more of like a new baby. So you get the same things, the gift bag, which I will be putting hers in this gift bag and giving to her. And then down inside of here is going to be her. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Now with my friend, if this was me, I would have chose it on the actual like sterling silver, just regular silver color, but they also do have it in other colors. So where you can have it like a yellow gold, you can have a rose gold. So I chose a rose gold for her because it just kind of reminded me more of like a, you know, baby girl, because of the rose gold is more of like a pink tone. And then I chose the birthstone for December, which that is when her daughter is going to be born, is this month. So inside of the eye of the elephant is her birthstone. So it's on both sides. It's double-sided. I love that as well. And you could have chose a different name on either side. So if this was a gift that somebody had 2 children, you could have put a name on the front side and a different name on the back side. I chose the same name on both sides because she's only having the one right now. And then no matter which way she puts it on, it'll still show Anastasia, which is her daughter's, which will be her daughter's name. So again, here is the little elephant. So I thought the elephant would, you know, be better to resemble a new baby, and then with her name Anastasia on it, and then the birthstone. Again, I got this for my friend to wear, and I'm so excited for her to get it. I could choose the color of it, and I could have chose the length of the chain, and I believe on this one I chose a 20-inch. I normally wear a 20-inch, and it gives you a little extra here to go shorter if you wanted. So I thought that was like the perfect length to get for her. So there is my order for my friend for Christmas. And this, even though it was a custom made, it did take maybe a week longer than my, almost flipped you off, a week longer than my ring, because my ring came, and then this one just came like maybe 5 to 7 days later. So it just took a hair longer because this one was actually customized where they had to put out her name. So just keep that in mind. If you're trying to get anything customized, order a little early just so you know you can get it in time. But if you get anything else, they have quick, fast shipping. And I think you get free shipping over $99 and all of that. So that is everything that I wanted to show you for this video. Again, the ring that they sent to me, the 2 rings that I purchased myself, and the gift that I purchased for my friend. Just put so much care and dedication into each one of their designs, and I absolutely love this company. This is the only company that I will bring to my channel. I've had tons of other jewelry companies reach out to me, and I've ignored them all. This is the only company that I will be showing you guys. I wear them every day. I stand by them. I purchase from them. And so again, this is the only company that I'm recommending and will be showing you guys. So if you like a little bit more information about Jeulia Jewelry, I will let you know right about now. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. And one other thing with their ring sizes, the first few times that they had got a hold of me, I didn't get a ring because I didn't think that they would go up to my big ol' fat finger size. But to my surprise, they go from sizes 3 all the way up to 15 and every half size in between. So that's why I'm like, I can have them custom to my fat little chunky fingers. Yay! And I'm so glad because I love these. Now, they do have a chart on their site which shows you a Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. So on there it says looks like a diamond, check, check. Durable, check, check. Hardness is a 9 for a Jeulia stone and a 10 on a mined diamond. The density is 5.70 with Jeulia stone and a 3.52 on a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for Jeulia, and potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond. And you will save a whole lot more money going with a Jeulia stone. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand-cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to simulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. They have 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99, and a 1-year warranty. They also have flexible financing, secure shopping, and all of their pieces again are the 925 sterling silver. So that is now everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me the ring to review. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad they had other ones. There was one other one that was a different style. I think it was more round, and I thought this would be better because then I have one round here and then I have like, you know, like the diamond, so they're two like different, but those are absolutely beautiful. I love that moon on there, and then to have the moon phase on my thumb, cherry on the cake. I absolutely love it. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the rings that I purchased for myself? What do you think of the ring that they had sent to me? What do you think of the personalized necklace that I got for my friend? Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.